Barack Hussein Obama is your Mama Obama here, ready to give you another week's worth of motherly advice to help you be successful as President of these United States. Now, Barack, Mama hasn't talked to you in a couple weeks because Mama's been sick. I don't know if I had the bird flu or the swine flu. I think I had the canine flu because Mama was sick as a dog. And I'm still not 100% my wonderful, lovable self. But I could not wait another week to come and talk to you about this health bill. Now, I know it's been a hard week for you. You've been taking it from all sides, running out of cash for clunkers, and why, even Michelle has discovered sludge in her garden from the Clinton administration. I bet you George Bush is so happy he's not being blamed for this one. Well, whatever. Anyway, Mama is a big believer in mediation. Now, in divorce mediation, the couple comes together and they fashion their own remedy to figure out how they're going to divide their marital assets and how they're going to parent their children. And we've discovered now that if a couple fashions their own remedy, they are more likely to be invested in that and less likely to be running to the court every time one of them sneezes and look at the other one the wrong way. Well, what you're asking the American public and the insurance industry to do is kind of like a divorce. You're asking them to divorce themselves from each other the way they've always known that relationship and come up with something totally new. But you're not letting them have an opportunity to fashion their own remedy. So, son, here's my suggestion. Get a consortium of the insurance companies. Get the American Medical Association and union representatives for the doctors and the hospitals. Get a cross-section of people from the United States, some that be working, some that be on Medicaid, people that have some coverage and people that don't have some coverage, but let them all get in the same room, let their needs be met, and let them fashion a remedy and bring you a couple of strategies that you could possibly introduce to the House and the Senate that's actually based in some form of reality. Instead of postulating and hypothesizing what you think it is that the American people want, because I tell you what, American people are very afraid you're going to make them have some kind of social medical system that doesn't let them pick their own doctor. And the doctors are afraid you're going to come up with something that doesn't meet their financial requirements. And the insurance company, they're really upset because they think that they're going to be divested of the dynasty they currently have, and that they're going to lose their place on the financial scale. And none of those people are going to support you no matter what you do. So instead, let them fashion the remedy. And then they be all for it, and they take all the heat off your back, son. That's the whole point here, is delegate, delegate, delegate. Mama been telling you that from the beginning. So let the people that going to have to live with it be invested in creating it. That's Mama's best advice to you today. Okay? Just remember, when Jesus came in and he totally upset the social order, he didn't do something that made people be more in greater bondage. He set the captives and the slaves free, for Pete's sake. He put women and men on the same place, and he let all the Gentiles come in with all the Jews and said, hey, everybody have a party at the Father's house because he's ready to accept you all. And that's what you need to do, son. You need to do something that upsets the social order without creating greater bondage. And I think you can do it if you let the people with the problem come up with the solution. Okay? Mama loves you. She's praying for you every day. God bless you, son, and God bless these United States of America.